Good morning, boys and girls. So today is Wednesday, which means we are getting new spelling words. I hope you completed all the activities in Kids A to Z for last week's spelling words. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these words. The first word is bunch. He has a bunch of bananas. Thinking that might be a monkey, right? Second word, fruit. Fresh fruit is healthy to eat. Third word is argue. Do not argue with your friends. Number 4 is crumb. 1 crumb of cake was left. Aw. Fifth word is crew. The crew washed the boat. Next word, juice. She drank some orange juice in the morning. Next word, refuse. I refuse to go outside because it's so cold. Next word, truth. Was Gina telling the truth? All right, up here the next word is young. A young boy played outside. My next word, trunk. She keeps clothes in her trunk with her spare tire. Next word, amuse. A good book will amuse me. Next is suit. I wore a suit to the wedding. Next word, rude. Tanya is never rude to others. That's a good treat. Next word, dew. Morning dew covers the grass. Now make sure you don't confuse it with to do something, which is D-O. Okay? And finally, rescue. I will rescue the cat in the tree. So my question is, boys and girls, what do these words all have in common? Think about it. Okay, take a moment and think about what do they all have in common. Well, if you said that they all have the short or the long U, you are correct. And if I look at the words, I can see most words have a U in it. There's a couple that don't, but they do have a U sound, which is strange, right? All right, so over here, here's our short spelling. Okay, we're going to spell words with a short U, where it's spelled by U followed by a consonant. And then there's just other spellings for a short U. And remember, short U goes like umbrella. Okay, and then all these other categories are the long U, and long U goes U. Okay, now it can be spelled by U consonant E, it can be spelled by UE, it can be spelled by UI, and it can be spelled by EW. Okay, the long U. Well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and fill this category out first, because I know when I was looking at these words, I saw a couple words that didn't have a U in it. Okay, and guess what? It would be crew, say crew, and do. All right, and our final category would be any other spelling, which we'll get to that. All right, so guess what? This category is done. All right, and guys, all I did is I looked to see how these two were a little bit different. They did not have a U in it, but they still had the U sound. So I'm going to cross that out because that category is done. All right, let me go up to short U, okay? And again, short U goes okay? And it should be spelled with a U followed by a consonant. Guess what? My first word is bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. All right, I want you to look over here and think, is there any other word? Because there's 2 more words that would fall in that category. What do you think? Short U, words followed by a consonant. Did you say trunk? Good. And there's 1 more there. 1 more short U, and it's spelled by U followed by a consonant. Take a look at these U followed. That's long. Here we go. Crumb. All right. Now, I do have another spelling for short U, and it's this one, young, Y-O-U-N-G, right? It gives us the short U, but it's not spelled by U with a consonant. All right, that's all your short U's. Everything else are long. So let's take a look at the category. Well, if we have a long U spelled by U followed by a consonant and an E, let's see. U, nope. U-E, nope, it needs to be U consonant E. Nope. How about this? Refuse. There's my U consonant E. Yeah, so that's going to go right in that category. How about this one? Is there U consonant E? Nope. U, yep, there we go. U consonant E. And I'm looking for one more. Well, I have a U and an E, but there's not the consonant in between. How about this one? U consonant E. Good. All right. Now let's look at the long U where it's spelled U-E. And there's only 2 words in there. And that means that the 2 letters U and E need to be together. Does that work? Nope. How about this? Nope. How about this? Argue. Yeah, that's got the U and the E together and it makes the long U sound. Okay. Is there a U-E here? Nope. How about here? Nope. How about here? Yes. Rescue has the U and the E together. Good job. Now down here, we're going to do the long U sound where U-I is together. I have fruit, which has U-I. Juice, that has U-I. And suit, that has the U-I. All right, the only word I have left is truth, okay? And that's going to go into our final category. All right, so boys and girls, these again are your spelling words. You're going to have to do the spelling pretest today in Kids A to Z. If you have any questions, let me know. Boys and girls, also, don't forget with Kids A to Z, you have to take each activity to the very end, okay, where it will show activity completed, and you get coins, because if not, it's not finished. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have an awesome day.